It's Ezekiel 10 out here trying to make samosa. As you guys could see, we already made the aloo to go inside the samosa. Can you show them the process that we already done? And what we do is we make it like a roti, you know, the circle. Make sure it's not stuck to the pan. So you put it right here, flip it up, and with that, what we're gonna do is we're gonna tap in the water. We're gonna get some water, circle around. As you go circle, it proves that it's a glue. Get some aloo as much as you want, but I don't want too much because it's gonna explore in the oil. So, and once after you're done, you're gonna make a pyramid like that. Make sure it's a pyramid. Don't worry, we already put the water as a glue, so it's sticking to the shape of samosa. There you go. So you wait till it gets a little bit dry, and here it is, your mother's samosa, and the baby samosa is coming right up. As you know, we're done with the aloo. Yeah, mama. And you're gonna make a pyramid out of this. I think I put too much aloo, but it's okay. Try to stretch it out. As you could see, it's gonna get a little messy. It's okay. And once you're done, you're gonna pull it a little bit up. There you go. Gonna go. Make sure it's stick to it. And there is. And there's another one. Just came out from the pan. Second thing what we do is put the aloo. And what we do next is get some water. We're gonna use as a glue. Go around. And once you're done with this, you're gonna stretch it out a little bit more. Stretch it out. Make sure it gets a pyramid. And then we're gonna put it up. And you guys could come here. Look. We're done. And then look over there. My mom is so. But anyways, look at the outcome though. You already know we got the samosa banging. And I got some potato. So good. I'll just make some potato. No, this tastes so good. Look at this. How is that? The aloo came out so good. Phenomenal. Tell we did it. Bottle. Homemade samosa, yes, let's get it. Okay. Okay. is mine. It's a big FAD.
Oj, det körs det. Vilken pyrg.